Hey there, foodie friends! Get ready for a taste adventure with our Asian fusion feast. We've whipped up a meal plan that takes the best bits from different Asian cuisines, making it not just delicious, but also diabetes-friendly. From breakfast to dinner, we're bringing you a mix of Japanese, Chinese, Thai, and other Asian flavors. Think miso soup to start your day and teriyaki glazed chicken for dinner. Yummy and good for your blood sugar. So, let's dive into the world of colorful, tasty ingredients that won't mess with your diabetes management. Meal Plan 4. Asian Fusion Feast. Breakfast. Miso soup with tofu, seaweed, and green onions. Brown rice congee with poached egg and ginger. Matcha green tea smoothie with unsweetened almond milk. Lunch. Stir-fried tofu and broccoli with a sesame soy glaze. Asian-inspired chopped salad with cabbage, edamame, and a ginger sesame dressing. Sushi rolls with avocado, cucumber, and smoked salmon. Dinner. Teriyaki glazed grilled chicken with sesame seeds, cauliflower fried rice with mixed vegetables, baked miso glazed black cod. Snacks. Edamame with a sprinkle of sea salt, nori seaweed snacks, Thai-inspired cucumber salad with peanuts. While our Asian fusion feast is here to tantalize your taste buds and keep your blood sugar in check, remember that everyone's different. It's smart to chat with your healthcare friend or a nutrition expert who can help you tailor this meal plan to fit your unique needs. These recipes are like a good friend's advice. Helpful, but not one size fits all. Your healthcare team knows you best and can guide you on the path to delicious personalized eating that's just right for you. Happy eating. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, goodbye.